friends, welcome to my channel VTutor for you. In this video, we will see two ways of importing an Excel file in R. One is by saving the Excel file as CSV file and the other option is directly importing the Excel file. For any of these options, first thing that you need to make sure is that you save your work in the working directory. That means you should save your files which you want to import in your working directory. In my previous video, I have shown how to find your working directory. If you have not seen it yet, please have a look. Now let's start with option number 1. For this, you need to save your Excel file as CSV, delimited file. So which I have already done. I have found out my working directory and I have saved my files there as CSV file. I'll just show how to save it as CSV file once in case you don't know. I'll open my Excel file. Once it has opened, then you go to File, go to Save As. Now here you change the format. So from .xls, we will change it to CSV, delimited format. So there are CSV, many other formats. We need to go for CSV, delimited format. I have selected and I will press save. So this is how you save your file as CSV file. So to start with, now once you have saved your file as CSV file, now to avoid any misspelling of your file, it is always better to copy the name of your file from your folder. So example, like this is my CSV file that I want to read. I will right click on that and I will go to, I'll click on that and I'll copy the name in my thing. I'll copy it by Ctrl C. Now I'll go back to R. Here I will write read.csv. Now open brackets and close bracket, round brackets I have used, and in double quotes write here, do Ctrl V. So the file name has come, add .csv to it, and then you can save this file in another file name that you want R to identify it with, like I am saying A1 equal to. So I have saved this file test marks A in my file A1 in R. So I will just say run. So it has executed that. Now in case you want to know whether it has imported, whether I will be able to access, you can write view in bracket A1 and then run this line. So moment you execute, you will be in the position to see all my values stored in this file. It has come as in a tabular form. So there are some names A1, A2, A3. There are some serial numbers and I have test 1 and test 2 marks. So now when I have these marks, so I have imported my file in R. So I can go back to my script here. So we will see the next method of importing Excel directly. To import Excel file directly, you need to have two packages installed on your R. So for importing a CSV file, we didn't need any other packages. So that's why that makes it convenient to use. So the only effort that you need to do is to read your file as CSV. So for next method, you need two packages installed. Those are, first one is read Excel, that is one package that you need to install, and second one is RCPP. These two files you should have in with you. So now here in environment, can you see in this third window of my environment, I will just, here you have import data sets. So here there is a small drop down. You can click on that and then you have some options from where you want to import this data set. I will go for from Excel. So once I click on that, it has started to prepare and it has indicated me that it needs these two packages. So if you have not installed it, you can install it now. When it asks for, you can click on yes and it will start doing the process of installing those packages for you. It will take few seconds. So once it has done the process of installing that, you will get such a dialog where you have to go to browse and select the folder and you select your Excel file and open it. So you will be able to see the preview over here. So once you are able to see the preview, just to check, then you come down, you can find import over there. Just click on import. You can see the code which is coming here. This code you can copy and paste it in your script file also. So just click import and that file has been imported. You can see the one tab has opened up over here and it is showing those test marks. So this is how you are able to read your Excel files in R. Thank you for watching this video.